Today, guys, I've decided to make myself a bowl foot soup, and I am going to get into the ingredients with you here. So here I have 3 pounds of bowl foot, washed nice with vinegar and lemon. You have to make sure you wash your meat really good with vinegar and lemon. Let's get into the ingredients. So here I have 4 small carrots, 2 heads of scallion, 1 tanya, 3 potatoes, 1 pound of pumpkin. Now I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to use that to make dumplings. 3 bell peppers and an onion. Sazon or sazan, that's what people say to it. You have salt, celery seeds, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, and chicken noodle soup mix. Guys, let's get down to the bowl foot. Now I'm going to put the bowl foot in this pressure cooker. I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of garlic, 2 tablespoonfuls of garlic, 1 tablespoonful of salt, and black pepper, a dash of black pepper. Now, the reason why I choose a pressure cooker, it's because it's going to cook faster. If I had put it in a pot to cook, it would take like 2 hours. So since I want to make it fast and simple, I'm just going to go with the pressure cooker. So let's cover it up. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes. So see you in 30 to 40 minutes and then we'll get to the next step. Guys, the smart thing to do while your bowl foot is being cooked for that 45 minutes, you should just prepare your stuff you need to put in there so you don't have to wait. You could just add everything in. Guys, it's half an hour and I'm just gonna turn up the stove. And I'm going to open the pressure cooker. Guys, the safest way to open your pressure cooker, you just open the faucet on it and let the water cool it down. Well guys, you know that pressure is on because you're not hearing that pressure sound anymore. So now I am just going to see if it's ready to open. Okay. See, I came right from the stove with it, and then it's okay to open. As you could see, you're not hearing any pressure. That's it. I'm just going to remove some of the fat. because bullfoot has a lot of fat. So you see, I'm just gonna scoop some of it out. See here? Normally some people put it in the fridge so it gets cool, or you could do it overnight and put it in the fridge and it gets cool, and then you just scoop all the oil, the fat from it. But since I'm just doing it quickly, I have to do all of that now. This is all the fat I scooped out of the pressure cooker from the bullfoot. Yes, I'm going to transfer it back to the stove. Turn it back on. And then I'm going to just add all my veggies. Use the same pot. You don't have to change the pot. Just put all your veggies in there. The bullfoot is nice and tender right here. Okay, so I'm going to let the veggies cook for like 15 minutes and I'll come back with the third step. As you could see, guys, I'm back after the 15 minutes and the veggies are ready. I'm just going to add my fresh blended seasonings. I'm going to put 1 tablespoonful of garlic, 1 tablespoonful of my blended peppers and the onions. Well, let's add 2. I'm going to add my dry seasonings like the Sazon. I'm just gonna throw some in there. Garlic salt, celery salt, well, sorry, the celery seeds. Now I have to make sure that I measure this cayenne pepper because I do not want it to be too hot and spicy. So let's say I'm going to put half a teaspoonful. There you go, half a teaspoonful. And you know, in the beginning I had put in a little salt, so now is the right time to taste to see how much salt I need. Okay, so now I can add my Maggi chicken soup in this pack. And a little of the Lipton chicken soup. Now let's say half of the pack. And I also add my dumplings one time. I'm gonna make some small dumplings, not big ones. Making some round ones. Mix it a little. Guys, as you could see, every time you add something to the pot, you have to cover the pot. So I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let the dumplings cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's all the steps that you need to make the soup. I'll be back in 15 to 20 minutes. There you are, guys. It's all done. All I'm going to do is put it in a plate and I'm going to eat. This is my bowl soup, guys. I'm going to taste it so you all could see. Wow, it tastes yummy. It's delicious. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is bowl soup from my kitchen to your kitchen. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you all soon. Yummy, 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 yummy.